Now, in order to find out more about reverse glass painting, I'm here to meet an artist who specializes in this field. One of the most sought-after works of art, mainly because the glass protects the painting. This art form was widely used for sacral paintings since Middle Ages, and also when it later spread to Italy and then to Iran. But as you can see, today artists are taking a more modern approach.
یه جوری کار سخت‌تره ولی جذاب‌تره در اصل، چون به این لحاظ سخته که لایه اول رنگ لایه اصلی کار ماست. یعنی وقتی که داریم کار میکنیم تمام سایه روشنی که داریم میزنیم، اون حجمی که داریم درست میکنیم، در حقیقت اولین لایه‌ای هستش که کسی که داره کارو میبینه چشمش در حقیقت اون قسمت رو داره نگاه میکنه. یعنی لایه اول رو اگر اشتباه توش رنگ بذاریم دیگه قابل جبران نیست. یعنی اگر از اون ور شیشه یه نمای دیگه‌ای داشته باشه ما باید بتراشیم کار رو دوباره از اول کار بکنیم.
Sima Azimi has taken up the challenge though, painting as she puts it inside out, with her naturalist approach to even the most traditional of Iranian designs, gul-o-morgh or flower and bird. Starting with the smallest details artists would normally be taken care of when they're almost done with a stroke of the brush. It is the artist's patience and humility that helps her create these timeless masterpieces. Reverse glass painting has had its ups and downs in Iran, at times being considered a luxury art favored by royalty or falling into oblivion for a while. But it has always been a form of religious expression, and today certainly revived as a popular art form with many art apprentices wanting to master the skill. In Iran, art and religion have always had a very close relationship. Probably reverse glass painting is a perfect example of that.